Hello everyone, my name is Calvina and I'm going to do a review video on the Infinity Processing System. Okay, I'm on a website now, so if you're looking for a work from home opportunity to make some extra cash, you definitely want to check out the Infinity Processing System. Alright, I'm going to give you guys a little brief review on what the Infinity Processing System is about and to give you information on the members area and the Facebook group. Okay, so where I'm at now is on the website. My website is the Infinity Processing System. The website is called infinitycash.info. So if you want to check out this the website, the system, just go to infinitycash.info. Alright, so here is this is the actual video. If you want to check out more about the Infinity Processing System, you definitely want to watch the video. Okay, so give a little review on that. And here is me, Calvina. Alright, so it gives you, you'll have a picture up there. The system is pretty much done for you. Okay, how does it work? Follow a 3-step system to start making 100% commissions. Okay, online. Step 1, get started. Step 2, post ads on social media. And step 3, get paid. Okay. Okay, it's 4 levels. Okay, I'm actually just on the 3rd level right now. Alright, I'm going to go over the levels with you guys now. So, this is the $50 starter level. Okay. Then the next, you have the Elite $150 Internet Automation Secrets level. This is the Elite level, $150 commission. It's instant pay. Alright. Straight to your Cash App, Venmo, whatever choice payment options that you make. Alright. And this is the $300 Pro level. Alright, 6-figure blueprint. And there's the super $600 super affiliate level. Alright, I'm not on that yet, but I just wanted to, run that by you guys. Okay? So these are the levels here. Okay? Get access to our membership training site or your membership training site. Once you get started, you will have access to your own membership training site where you can log in and watch the step-by-step training at your own pace. You will also get access to all the future new updated training that we will be adding to offer even more value to our community. Our mission is to help you grow and develop the right skill set to help you launch your affiliate marketing career. Guys, the training is awesome. Second to none. Okay, I say that every time I make a video on the Infinity Processing System because it's true. I'm just not jibber jabbing. I'm not trying to throw you any fluffy stuff out there, guys. Alright, this is the members area in the back here of IPS. Alright, here's all the training that you will get. Alright, you get the step 1 intro. Step 2, learn how to create your automated sales funnel. Step-by-step videos, guys. Alright, how to get more sales faster with paid traffic. How to grow your list fast every month and get more sales. Okay, I don't think it may not be there anymore. I think Adriana's gonna do something else with that. Okay. Alright, it's what to say when they ask you for information. Winning Mind Sweat, get the art of persuasion and influence. You get 200 pre-written ads plus 60 bonus image ads. I'll show you that, guys, in a second. I just want to go over the tabs on what you get with the Infinity Processing System training. Okay, how to upgrade or update your website with the new picture, replace payment options, etc. You get the 7-day action plan for success. How to post unlimited ads on high traffic websites. For free training, you get the Facebook Marketing Mastery, a Craigslist marketing training. Instagram marketing training. Okay, YouTube automation training. You get the TikTok marketing training. You get to automate your business with your six-figure system. And once you sign up to this system, you get extra bonus hotel restaurant discount. You get a discount voucher, and you also get bonuses from me that will help you promote this awesome system. Now, coming over here, probably already guys already seen it. These are the pre-written ads. Okay, the level I'm at the $300 level. Okay, is where the pre-written ads, these ads work, guys. And I show you guys proof that these ads work once we get into the Facebook group. Alright, people have made hundreds of dollars with this, hundreds and thousands of dollars with this system, and I'll show you guys that in a moment. These are pre-written ads that you can use on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, however you would like. Alright, and we got the bonus image ads right here, along with some more pre-written ads. Alright, as you guys see here, you get everything like this basically. Alright, the $300 level, which is the pro level. Which is the pro level. Okay, so as you guys see right here, the ads I am showing you. Okay, you guys seen the website. Yep, these are the ads that you can post on social media along with the pre-written ad if you would like to. Okay, so just to show you guys that. Next, we are going into the Facebook group, and I want to show you guys proof the system works, the ads work. Alright, this is the Infinity Processing System Facebook group. Alright, first let me show you this. This is viral, guys. It went viral. Look at this, 27.5 thousand members. Alright, let's scroll down. Hey IPS team, please welcome Edmund Wilson to the group. He's here to check out testimonials. Alright, and here is proof that this system worked. This is Mr. James Fombo, who is actually he's killing it with this system. Alright, so boom, this system is bananas. I've earned over $50,000 with this system, and the highest package is under $1,000. Here's my secret. Really post the pre-written ads. See, when I tell you guys, the pre-written ads, they work. Number two, I really add people to the group. Alright, I really follow up with people. Most important thing is use the training. Yes, yes, and yes. Alright, that's James Fombo. I'm going to show you guys another one. Alright, this is Mel Johnson. I got notification on my cell, looked and seen another $300 commission came through. What a great way to start the weekend. If you haven't started this program yet, seriously, what are you waiting for? Get back to the person who invited you. Start your training, follow the blueprint, stay consistent, and watch those commissions roll in. The pre-written ads work, guys. She didn't say anything about them, but I'm pretty sure she probably used them. You know, look at James Fombo. Congratulations, Mel Johnson. And congratulations, James. See, I love this. Alright, the system. Alright, it's newbie friendly also, so if you never made a dime online, check out this system. Another one that's killing it is Garrett Barry. Alright, he's made $600. Another day, another $600. If you haven't joined, what are you waiting for? Get in contact with the person that invited you and get started today. It's your turn to receive these payments. It's instant commission, guys. I'm not trying to talk about money all the time. I'm just trying to impress upon you that this system works, and members that are making money with this are making money almost every day. Okay, so I want to show you that. I'll show you guys one more. I can go on and on with this. Alright, this is Peter Barry, another one. Yep, that's another $600 commission that's popped in. I remember the days of struggling trying to figure out how to get consistent sales and ending up frustrated and lost. But thanks to this program and following the traffic strategy consistently, it's pretty much effortlessly. What did I just say, guys? I just said, even if you're struggling to make sales, Peter Barry right here, struggling to make sales. But once he found IPS, the Infinity Processing System, he's making sales. But how is he doing it? He's staying consistent. You have to be patient. People, this is not a get rich overnight quick scheme. This is not what this is. As long as you're patient and consistent, yes, you will make money. I'm showing that it's not about me. It's not about me at all. Alright? Same day commissions, guys. Same day. Okay? So the system is pretty much done for you. All you're doing is copy and pasting ads online. See? Look at this. I can show you guys more. Alright. The system works. This is legit. These pictures are not Photoshop. This is not a game. I'm not trying to, run game on people. This is real. Okay? So look right here. Alright? Is the Infinity Processing System real? Yes, it's real. Are members making money with this? Yes, members are making money with this system. Alright, guys? My name is Calvina. My website is infinitycash.info. Alright, if you want to join the Facebook group to check out the community, guys, add me as a friend. Get with me. Okay, like I said, I have bonuses to give you that will help you market this online. This awesome system online. Okay? Let me go. See, let me get out. I'm going to go back in. Alright. See? It says, hey IPS team, I'll read this again. Please welcome Edmund to the group. He's here to check out the testimonials. Guys, you want to check out the Facebook group? This is another way members are making commissions. Showing people this awesome Facebook group community of successful marketers, whether you're new or a veteran in this. Alright. If you want to actually have more information on the Facebook group, I'll have my information below. You can add me on Facebook. Got any questions, concerns, whatever the case is, add me on Facebook if you want to join the Facebook group, or if you have any questions or anything like that about the Infinity Processing System. Alright, my name is Calvina, guys. I'm signing off. Check out the Infinity Processing System. Alright, infinitycash.info. My name is Calvina. I'm signing off. If you guys want to, again, join a Facebook group. Check out the testimonials. Check out the members. Check out this awesome system. Get with me. See you guys on the inside. Have a wonderful and successful day.